How to add custom logo and text to your order quotes. Only manager accounts can adjust settings for their company. First, navigate to the Admin Control panel and select Quote Format. Here, you can manage your company logo and the text used at the bottom of your quotes. On the right side of the page, you'll see a preview of where your logo and text will be placed. Please ensure that you adhere to the image requirements when uploading your logo. Remember to save your changes before returning to the order summary page. You may need to clear cache and reopen the browser before the changes can be seen on the order screen. Thank you for watching this video. Sunglow is committed to supporting dealers in their sales processes and is continually seeking ways to innovate and enhance the dealer experience. For more tutorials, please visit our YouTube page and be sure to keep an eye on our newsletters for updates.